So house that is not just for living, but can also turn into an investment opportunity. And I'll show you why. Hi, it's me again, Rosh, and welcome to another episode of MSG Home Tour. And today, we are here at Silang Cavite to show you this for sale Mediterranean house and lot that has a lot area of 800 square meters and a floor area of 392 square meters. And now, let me show you around. So we were gonna start here at the porch, and as you can see, meron siyang space dito. So before, this is a sari-sari store, pero ngayon ginawa na siyang storage room. And we will not go in muna dito sa pinaka main door. Let's go here at the driveway para makita niyo. As you can see, ang lawak ng building kasi the design is a duplex. Kung ano yung meron dito sa ipapakita namin mamaya is same lang din. Kung hindi namin ma-features itong kabila kasi may tenant siya. Dito naman, andito yung pinaka-garage. We have a 4 carport here. Meron kang dalawa dito na sasakyan ng kasya, and you also have there too. So makikita mo meron pa tayong malawak na space here. Pwede siyang gawin garage, or if you want to turn this to investment resort, pwede to na lagyan ng swimming pool. And on this side, this is the service area and yung pinaka-entryway mo papunta dun sa dirty kitchen. Pero now, let's go back to the main entryway. So by the way, this is an 8-bedroom house. So let's start with the ground floor. Upon entry, you will see here is your living area. It's an ample space. Across is your dining area. And here is your kitchen, where the elderly room is also available here. And it has an ensuite toilet and bath access papunta dun, na may access din na malapit dito sa may kitchen. So this will be the area for your kitchen, and you also have additional dirty kitchen. So this side, they make it a laundry area, and also this is the one na may access kanina dun sa porch. Then the other one also mirrors it. So ganun din kung ano, ito yun sa may pinaka garage naman nila. And dito makikita mo is you have a door. So this one is what I told you earlier na meron kasing tenant. So hindi natin siya bubuksan, pero same lang siya kung ano yung meron dito sa dalawang room. May sarili din siyang kitchen sa loob, but share sila dito sa dirty kitchen. So let's go. Here. So punta naman tayo dun sa second floor. So here at the second floor, you have 3 rooms. So one here is the master bedroom. Meron siyang access ng balcony. So you have a balcony here. So kita mo yun sa may gate. Yung paligid mo. And next, so meron naman siyang ample space as a master bedroom na kasya yung pinaka-wardrobe mo. And we go next here at another room na ginawa nilang kids room. So may mga gamit pa dito kasi currently the owner is still living here. And meron naman silang pinaka-common toilet and bath. So wala silang mga en-suite toilet and bath. And here is another room pa, with ample space naman. Nakasya din yung mga wardrobes mo, ng mga cabinets. And now, as you can see, meron siyang malaking hallway. So, meron ka din mapapansin dito na door. So, it's not a door. Ginawa lang siyang partition para dun sa kabilang rooms. Yung parang kabilang house din, as it is a duplex. So, nag-mirror lang din siya na 3 bedrooms din. So, ang total dito sa second floor talaga is 6 rooms. So, now let's go to the third floor. Here at the third floor, ito yung pinaka-roof deck. Pero as you can see, meron siyang ample space here. Pero mag-start muna tayo dito side. This serves as a family room. As you can see, marami siyang glass windows na pwede mo siyang i-slide kung gusto mo ng fresh air and the natural lighting. And ang laki ng space niya, as you can see, napaka-pleasant nung area. And plus, you have your own ensuite toilet and bath na rin dito. And let's go to the next side. Malawak na space siya. And as I mentioned earlier, di ba, na meron siyang another house. So, it's a duplex house. Ito yung pinaka-access niya. So, dalawa silang may access dito sa pinaka-third floor or pinaka-roof deck na kinovered na lang nila para mas ma-maximize pa yung space. Same as the space dun sa kabila, meron din siyang maraming windows. And this is the view dun sa papunta sa pinaka-backyard na pwede mong tayuan ng swimming pool or pwede mo pang gawan ng mga stuffs dyan, like another carport. Depende sa investment na gusto mong gawin dito sa bahay. So as a recap, this is an 8-bedroom house. So you have 2 bedrooms on the ground floor and you have 6 on the second floor. And you also have a roof deck here on the third floor. Again, this is Josh of My Saving Grace Realty, and if you want to know more about the details of this property, contact us. See you on the next episode.